I am always on the lookout for plants that provide healthy fruits and berries. At Pine Hill Nursery in Pass Christian, they have goji berry plants. Native to Asia and cultivated for centuries for its nutrient-rich fruit and medicinal properties, this sprawling, arching shrub grows 6 to 10 feet tall and wide and thrives in USDA zones 5 through 9. It is both heat and drought tolerant once established, making it a low-maintenance addition to many gardens. The plant features long, flexible branches, sometimes thorny, with soft gray-green, lance-shaped leaves. The fruit, which is the plant's most celebrated feature, is small, oval to oblong, and measures about ½ an inch in length. The berries ripen from green to a vibrant red-orange color, resembling tiny cherry tomatoes. The berry's glossy, thin skin protects the soft, juicy interior. Goji berries have a unique flavor profile that combines sweetness, tartness, and earthy undertones. The plant prefers full sun and well-draining soil with a slightly alkaline to neutral pH, tolerating a range of soil types and conditions. The fruit ripens from late summer to early fall, and harvesting is usually done by hand to prevent bruising the delicate berries. With its attractive growth habit and nutritional fruit, the goji berry plant is an excellent choice for gardeners seeking a productive yet ornamental shrub for their landscape. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.